Can we hide our Instagram following and followers list? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Unfortunately, Instagram does not offer a direct way to hide your followers or following list from everyone. But you can definitely limit who can see them. This can be done using your privacy settings. First of all, you need to switch to private account. In this way, only people you approve as followers can see your followers and following list, whereas other people cannot. In order to switch, you have to click on the three horizontal lines on the top right corner, and then you will see the option Business Tools and Controls. From here, tap on Switch Account Type and then switch to Personal Account. After this, only people who you follow can get the access to your followers and following list. Next option would be restricting or blocking the specific users and removing the followers that you do not want to view your followers and following list. So this is all for today's video. If there is any update, we will keep you posted. Thank you and keep watching.